Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through how to use the Klarna one-time card. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. If you already have an account, log in using your email or phone number. Once you are logged in, look for the one-time card feature. In some versions of the app, this may be called Shop Today, Pay Later. Tap on this option to start creating your card. Klarna will ask you to enter the total amount you plan to spend. Make sure to include the item price, taxes, and shipping costs. Entering the correct amount is important so your payment goes through smoothly. After you confirm the amount, Klarna will generate a virtual card for you. Now go to the online store where you want to shop. Add your items to the cart and move to the checkout page. When you reach the payment section, choose the credit or debit card option. Copy and paste the one-time card number, expiration date, and CVV into the correct fields. Complete the checkout process as usual. If you have used Klarna before, your address details may fill in automatically. Once the purchase is complete, you can return to the Klarna app to see your payment plan. Thanks for watching.